On that note, what I see is doing extraordinary well. It's just really take the time for video. The past 2 to 3, 3 to 4 or 5 seconds, go ahead and have a call to action. All of you guys know it, right? Like, we're on Instagram, we're scrolling for
Yep.
30 minutes,
Yep.
and we end the session and we don't even know what we looked at.
Yeah.
And like,
Yeah, that's true.
no, right? Like three
Yeah.
three of the pieces of content you were looking at were my ads that I spent good money for, right?
Yeah.
But you never, you don't even remember it. So it's very important to sort of disrupt the pattern. And in the end of the video, just have a blank screen, or something that is not giving you dopamine anymore, and just like a straight up call to action.
Mhm.
Discover the new collection now, and then maybe an arrow pointing, to the call to action or something like that.
Yeah.
To really disrupt the pattern, and confront people with like, hey, you got to execute, and you have to make a decision now, right? And get out of this dopamine high in a way. So that is a very interesting practice.